Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to convert PDF files into Word file. Here I have two PDF files, Switzerland and Germany, and I'm going to convert these PDF files into Word files. So first you should open your browser and type PDF to Word. PDF to Word. And this is the first link, a small PDF. Open this link and here I have to upload my file. Click on that, Switzerland, and upload. Once the upload is finished, you should choose this option, so Word to Word, and here option okay, and click on that. It will be converted. Yeah, see, Switzerland .docx. This is the extension of Word file, so I have to download it. Click on that. Yeah, it will be downloaded. Let's see the download folder, and yeah, see, Switzerland. I'm going to open the file. I can edit or not. This is Word file, and I can edit very easily or comfortable. Yeah, that's it guys, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section and I will be happy to help you out with that. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.